This is a absolutely great shower head. I'll just show you this is what we keep it on. We've had it for a couple months now. I'm trying to change it with still being, I mean, this is going pretty hard. This is what we keep it on. That one's not the most pleasant, but this one, great water pressure. Definitely the money that it's worth. Again, we've had it for a couple months. It's super slick and chic and highly recommend it for sure.
Aesthetically pleasing and very easy to install. I would just say that the shower head sprays out a lot more. Very misty. I do enjoy it though. It has great power and it comes off really easily. Seems very sturdy. We've used it for about a couple weeks now and have had no leaking issues or anything.